think they're together. They're going out together, I think.
Welcome, everybody. I hope everybody out there is doing good today. Sit back, relax, enjoy. Get you a snack, something to drink. Hope you enjoy it, guys. Let's get with it.
Yeah. Pontoon boats, just kind of waiting. That's a bass boat on the left there, just kind of sliding by there. There he goes out of there.
Hey, I'm gonna go check it out.
Boy, what a boat, that green boat. I wonder what kind of boat that is.
Yeah. Don't leave for like 2 seconds.
They're both making a move backwards at the same time. We'll have to go here, I guess. It's all kind of trying to get out of there. Boy. Misty Harbor boat. What the heck? What's going on there? Trying to get the ladder up. Here goes the bass boat for the trailer, guys. Let's go here. Bass boat trying over there. Yeah! Trying to get that nice boat back around there. I wonder what kind of boat that is. Boy, they got all kinds of boats. Super air something. Wow, cool. Yeah! Get the trailer. Be out of there. All right. That's a different type of little boat. A whaler. Cool. Very cool. And they made it over there. I wonder if they had a tournament here today, you know? Two different bass boats just came in. Yeah! Bring it home, Big Daddy. Yeah! Cobra. Very cool. Very cool. Hear that motor? Wow. We got 3 bass boats waiting here, guys. One going for the trailer. The top one's going for the trailer. And got that one right there and one off to the right. Let's see what this guy does. Yeah, bring it in, baby. Yeah! He's out of here. That was a blast out. He's waiting for the trailer to come around. We got another one on the hill. He just come in. This guy's going for it already. Yeah. They do know what they're doing, don't they? Most of the time, that trailer's just hitting the water right about now, guys. It's in the water there. Okay, here he goes. Oh yeah. Okay. They're waiting for that trailer to get around there too. Okay, here comes the bass boat in now. The trailer's coming up on the hill there. And that bass boat that just went on the trailer is getting out of there. And another trailer coming in. There he goes. Yeah. All right. Guy making a run through the trail. Bring it in, baby. Wow. Shoot. Yeah, they had a tournament today. At least I think. The guy's backing the trailer up over there like they usually do. These guys are still waiting there. Kind of rolling the rope up. I think that's the trailer for the ones that they're waiting right there, I think. Had all them bass boats come in all of a sudden. goes, guys. Here he goes. Hang on. He's going pretty quick. Oh, man. Look how fast he's going. God, he's going fast. I don't know if you can tell on... I don't know if you can tell on the camera how fast these guys go in here. Boy. Uh-oh, look out. He's trying to like float it on the trailer. Motor going up there, so I think they're just going to pull it out and hope they have it. I think here comes another bass boat in. Here they go. And they're going the wrong way around. It doesn't matter to me, but you're supposed to go to the left when you come out of the ramp there, just to avoid this over here. Oh. We got two boats up there getting ready to come in, guys. One guy's coming from the wrong direction, and then the other guy's coming from... That guy's coming from this direction. It's getting ready to go for it. Oh, wait. I heard it. Working this boat back in, and the jet ski trailer is getting ready to come up the side of it there. Uh-oh, be careful with that trailer there, guys. Ah! Ooh, look out, look out. Oh, I think that's might be the one with that. I don't know. Sometimes I see different boats and I think I recognize them, but going pretty hot there, guys. Coming in pretty hot. Look out. Comes another bass boat in, and two more bass boats in, and another jet ski and another boat in. Yeah, bring it in, baby.